What does Disaster Blaster do?
We're a mitigation and restoration franchise, so we do everything from water damage mitigation and mold remediation to asbestos abatement, rad mitigation, and so much more.
How
Uh,
much is the total investment typically required?
the investment range is 136,320 to 242,701. We are SBA Express Loan eligible, so there's a lot of financing opportunities there for them as well.
What characteristics make a good Disaster Blaster franchisee?
Someone that likes to help others. We are coming in at someone's worst day to try to get their house put back together and things. So you have to have that compassion and that ability to really assist others.
What are the top 3 reasons someone should own a Disaster Blaster?
Our service offering, we offer the most services in the industry, so that's 13 different revenue streams at this point versus the average of 4 in the industry. We're constantly developing additional services as well. Additional to that, we are extremely franchisee friendly. My father and I both come from the franchisee background as well, so we structured this to be something that would have been what we would have wanted as franchisees ourselves. And then lastly, we offer very large territories, and we have a lot of prime territory available throughout the country.
If you enjoyed the discussion, please see the full episode on our YouTube channel or Spotify podcast links below.